Syracuse, hey Central New York. Is Zillow your friend or foe? Did you know Zillow is an algorithm and they get their information from public data? So far, so good. Zillow, though, has never seen the inside of your home, and it's a computer. It bases the price of your home based upon what the neighbors are doing. So what are the Joneses doing? What have they been up to? Have you been keeping up with them? Have you surpassed them? Did you know that according to Google, there are 41,704 zip codes in the United States? Why is that important? Well, that's where Zillow starts its basis. And each one has variables that affect property values, such as school district knowledge of declining or flourishing areas, property taxes, proximities to interstates, hospitals, attractions, shoppings, and bodies of water. And that's just to name a few. So the computer algorithm takes into consideration size, bedrooms, bathrooms, etc., and it compares them to your neighbors. Remember, it's a computer, not a human. So the algorithm cannot take into consideration upgrades, views, location, amenities, desirability, and market climate. A computer cannot take those major features into consideration when giving you their Z estimate. All of these factors, as you know, have a huge impact on the value of your home. And here's the crazy thing. Zillow, they even acknowledge their lack of accuracy, stating that in the United States as a whole, Zestimates are currently within 10% of the final sale price, 71.5% of the time. 71.5% of the time. And Zillow even encourages you to go out there and get a more accurate evaluation by a licensed real estate agent or an appraiser. Let me show you what I mean. If my seller on School Road in Kirkville used their Zillow estimate, which is what they were considering doing, they would have listed their home for $165,000. I listed and sold the property for $317,000. That's over $150,000. That's a lot of money the seller would have given up. Now, to be fair, Zillow didn't know the property was completely rehabbed. New roof, furnace, kitchen reconfigured. Again, Zillow is a computer algorithm. The same can be true for buyers. I worked with a buyer for new construction ranch that was listed at $370,000. Because it backed up to a busy road, Zillow had the value at $445,000. New construction, high square footage, but again, Zillow, the computer, didn't take into account the busy road, the increasing rates, and the buyer's demand declining. What happened? Purchase ended up purchasing for $340,000. See, that's what I do, and that's what my agents at Around Syracuse Realty do. We live, play, and contribute in this area. I've sold numerous homes throughout this area. I take a detailed look not only at the comparables, but what is the absorption rate, as well as many other factors when determining what to list your home at. You have to consider inventory levels, buyer demand, interest rates, market climate, and so many other considerations in addition to your upgrades, amenities, locations, etc. Look, Zillow is a great place to start. It's a great place for reference, to get information. But from there, you want an experienced agent that knows how and what the conditions and location will do to your overall value. Even Zillow states that. But if you are seriously considering selling your home in Central New York, then I can get you a custom marketing proposal from a real live person who lives, works, and breathes real estate full time. Thanks, Syracuse. Thanks, Central New York.